as the main colonizer, France is losing its grip over the Sahel region. There is a race among the major countries like the US, the China, the Russia to make its prominence and makes its presence felt in the Africa's Sahel region. And this is what makes the Sahel region one of the top topics to be discussed. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about the scramble which is going on for Africa's Sahel region and what is the reason for this scramble among the top countries. So the news, first of all we will be looking into the news, then about the Sahel region, then which all countries are there which is trying to make its presence felt in the region, and that is France, Russia, China, US, and in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from GS paper 1 as well as 2. Paper 2 is from IR perspective, paper 1 is from geography map perspective. So let's begin. The news talks about scramble for the Sahel. Why France, Russia, China and the United States of America are interested in the region. So if all the major countries, the major global economies, the major big global powers are interested into a region and trying to make its presence felt there, that region must be having something. That region must be having something which is of utmost importance to all the countries. So let's see what is happening is that in the last decade, if we talk about, then issues such as terrorism, insecurity, trafficking, these kind of news have characterized the region Sahel of Africa continent, and the USP of the region, for which the region is known, that is the presence of the natural resources. These topics of terrorism, of insecurity, of military coup taking place, they have overshadowed the topic or the presence of the natural resources. So this is how the Sahel region nowadays is gaining prominence. In the year 2020, the Sahel region has had 4 successful military coup and 3 failed ones. So from the year 2020, 4 successful coup and 3 failed ones have taken place in the region, and that is why whenever we talk about the military coup, the Sahel region comes to our mind. And the coup in Niger particularly attracted attention, and one of the reason can be that Niger is one of the most prominent city of the African continent and of the Sahel region as well. So let's see, first of all let's talk about the Sahel region. So whenever we talk about the Sahel region, the first thing that comes to our mind is the African continent, and then we must be knowing that the Sahel region lies in the North Africa, and then it lies in the North Africa, that is, this is the Sahara region. So it lies to the south of Sahara region. So this is the region of Sahel. So if we talk about, see, the northern region, which is this region, this is Sahara region, and below the Sahara region lies the Sahel region. So let me see, there must be, okay, look at this map. I think this is more or easily visible. So this is the North African continent. So this area is the Sahara Desert area, and below the Sahara Desert, which is this region, it is called the Sahel region. The region of the countries like North Senegal, then we have the Mauritania, then we have Mali, we have Niger, Chad, Sudan, Eritrea. So these are the countries which lies in the Sahel region, and it is a semi-arid region, and one of the major points which is of concern is that the Sahel area, which is semi-arid as of now, should not be turning into a desert, and that is why, to save this area from desertification, a green wall is also created in this region, that is a complete wall of trees. which runs throughout the region to stop the process of desertification which is coming from the Sahara Desert. So the Sahara Desert is expanding in size. So it is an eco-climatic and bio-geographic realm of transition in Africa. So this can be considered to be a transition zone also, the transition zone between the Sahara Desert and the lower African continent, between the Sahara to the north and the Sudanian savanna to the south. This Sahel region lies in between, and this is a semi-arid climate and between the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea. It means, look at this region, this is the Sahel region. So on one side, this is the Red Sea, that is the eastern side is the Red Sea, while the western side is the Atlantic Ocean. So it lies between the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea. And you need to remember that this is an semi-arid climate, the semi-arid region, the green wall, few of the countries of the Sahel region. Now demand for Sahel. Why the Sahel region is so important for other countries and for the world? Few of the reasons are availability of natural resources. As we all know that Africa is resources rich continent, and this resources rich continent, every country wants its participation in Asia, in Africa, so that the resources, the countries can take a part of this resources. Then the strategic location of the region in Africa. Now if we talk about Sahel, then Sahel you can say it lies in the North African continent, but not exactly the North African continent, below the Sahara Desert. So there are few prominent countries which lies there, like for example Niger, and this region can be used as a region of strategical importance, because from this region the northern African continent and the southern African continent can also be looked properly. Then the economic interest of the countries involved in the scramble. If we talk about the natural resources, the coming up of the natural resources, be it anything, be it the renewable energy sources, be it the fossil fuels. So Africa is rich in all these things and is supremely rich, but Africa needs resources to extract these natural resources. So in that economic perspective, or the economic interest of the other countries, all the major countries want to invest in Africa and become a part of it. Then defense and security cooperation in the form of arms sale. As we all know that Africa is famous for military coup. Now military coup in the last 1 decade, or not even in 1 decade, in the last 5 years has increased so much, that the terrorism has increased so much, that the sales of the arms and ammunition sales are on a rise in Africa. So the countries are also on a lookout to sell the arms and ammunition in the region. So these are few of the regions that why the demand for the Sahel region always remains among the major nations. Now let's talk about few of the countries which are interested in the Sahel region. Is first of all the France, and the reason is that France colonized the Sahel region. So France has the first right over the Sahel region, as it was colonized by France. So most of the countries in the Sahel region were colonized by France, not all, most of the countries. And France has maintained strong links with former colonies. So unlike the British, France has maintained its good relations with the Sahel countries. So even the Sahel countries has good relationship with France. So they cooperate in the matters of economy, defense and resource extraction and many others. So France has the first right to buy any natural resources discovered in all its former colonies. So whichever colonies which lie in the Sahel region, which were colonized by France, if any natural resources is extracted, France has the first right to buy it. So this is what talks about the good relationship that France has maintained with its colonies. But now in recent times it has been seen that this relationship is under stress. The African or the Sahel region countries are not at good terms with France, so they are also looking for other countries. So in this respect, France needs to look into maintaining good relationship with the Sahel countries. Then comes Russia. As Russia, all over the world, the Western countries have sanctioned Russia, and because of the invasion in Ukraine, that is the Ukraine invasion and the Russia-Ukraine war, Russia was facing a major crisis, and then in this phase of crisis, Russia looked into a region which it found in the African continent, so that its relevance in on the world stage remains same, and that is it established during the Cold War and colonial era. So the Russia and the Sahel region countries maintained good relationship during the Cold War and the colonial era. And during the Cold War era, there was only two superpowers between which it was on one side the United States of America, while on the other side it was the Soviet Union or the USSR. So between these two countries only the choice has to be made. And the Western allies demand the rule of law, democracy and human rights in return for security and economic support. Now that the Sahel region is going through problems like they need to control the terrorism aspect, they need to control the money laundering aspect, they need to control the military coup. So they are also looking for peace in the region. But to get to that point, they need external support. While the other countries which are ready to support them, they are asking for rule of law to be maintained, democracy to be established, and human rights to take place, or human rights should be considered as the one of the priorities. But on the other hand, Russia is not demanding all these things. So that is also making a good relationship with the Sahel region countries. Then Russia portrays itself differently and does not demand these things which the Western allies are demanding. Then comes China. So China is constantly trying to increase its prominence and increase its presence in the Sahel region, and it portrays itself as an alternative to the traditional ally which is France to, to Sahel countries. So it is trying that the traditional ally which is France, so the Sahel countries also have an alternative to them in the form of China. So the Chinese state owned enterprise, they operate in Niger, Chad, Mali and Burkina Faso. So China already has presence in the Sahel region and in the African continent, and continuously it is looking to expand that influence. And it is rich in natural resources such as oil, uranium, natural gas and lithium. And all these natural resources extraction, China wants to participate. Then China's Ganfeng Lithium. Ganfeng Lithium has invested heavily in the Mali for the extraction of lithium. So with this we can easily say that China is increasing its prominence in the African region and especially in the Sahel region. And if we talk about India also, then India also has a very good prominence and very good presence in the African continent. And India's presence over the year has also increased with the high dignitaries of India also making continuous visits to the African countries. So this was about China. Now comes the United States of America. In the year 2019, United States has opened its largest drone base in Africa, in Niger. So more than economic, United States of America considers Sahel region for military purposes. And setting up the largest drone base was one of the priority for the US, and getting it in Niger, which is a strategic location, as through Niger the other areas can be controlled easily. So for them, more than economic, the military presence was important. US has strong military interest. Niger in particular is strategically located. Let me just show you Niger once again. Okay. Okay, this is Sahel region, and Niger is this country. So in the Sahel region, Niger is almost lying in the center. So through Niger, other Sahel countries and the African continent can also be very well covered. Now we were on United States of America. So to prevent Russia and China from establishing further military presence, US needs more space, and US is looking for more space and to increase its military presence into the region. So this was about US. From the US perspective, majorly you should know is that more than economic, the military presence is of utmost importance. And now that the China and Russia are also looking towards the African continent and specifically the Sahel region, US is also turning its eye towards the Sahel region. Now, in the end of prelims MCQ, and people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. This is a PYQ of the year 2023. So through this, you will be able to know that how the questions can be framed. In the recent years, Chad, Guinea, Mali and Sudan caught international attention for which one of the following reasons is common to all of them. So it is asking that these countries, which is Chad, Guinea, Mali and Sudan, they were in news, and what common reason was there for which they were in news? A. Discovery of rich deposits of rare earth metals or elements. B. Establishment of Chinese military bases. C. Southward expansion of Sahara Desert, and D. Successful coup. So through this you will be able to know that how the questions can be formed. What innovative ways can be there to form a question. So as it is a PYQ, you should be able to answer this one. Give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.